In today's video, I'll be reshaping my bumper after a recent collision. I found a torch on the side of the road that I'll be using to help with this process. I'm Dingle D, and you're watching H3 Humper. Alright, so here's what the H3 is looking like before the repair. It doesn't look too bad, but the bits of damage do add up. Take a look at what the other guy is dealing with after rear-ending me with his Jetta. To start out, I'm removing the license plate and the plastic bumper step. The plastic bumper step has plastic clips holding it onto the metal bumper. Most of my clips are broke off on the side of the collision. Where the clips are still intact, I'm pinching them together and lifting the plastic step away from the bumper. Lastly, I need to disconnect my license plate light connector before removing the plastic completely. Now I can start heating the bumper with the torch and reshaping it by hand. On my way home, I saw this torch laying on the side of the road and figured it would be perfect for the job. I'm applying heat to the point I want to bend the bumper at. With the bumper heated, I can work on reshaping it with some welding gloves on. The top of the bumper is bulging a bit, so I'm giving a few good whacks with my rubber mallet. I also give some wax to this bracket on the rear quarter panel to straighten it out. With everything reshaped to my liking, I can reinstall the plastic step, the license plate connector, and the license plate. It doesn't look perfect, but it sure is better than what it did look like. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of H3 Humper. If you'd like to support my channel by becoming a patron, please subscribe to my Patreon channel. See you next time.